Eggplants are stuffed with garlic and green chilies and smoked on the barbecue till it's cooked. The flesh is then chopped fine and added to onion and ginger, powdered spices, and tomatoes. It's cooked till soft, mushy, and delicious. Cravings for Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. I had a couple of eggplants, so I decided to make Baigan ka Bharta. This recipe turned out so well, especially since I cooked my aubergine or my eggplants or my brinjals on my barbecue, so it had that additional smoky flavor. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. Eggplant comes in different sizes, but this one will yield 2 cups when cooked. I've made slits in the eggplant and I've added garlic and green chilies. These are large eggplants and they will yield about 2 cups of cooked flesh. I've used about a quarter cup of garlic and I've sliced it and stuffed it into the slits. I'm also going to be adding some green chili. I've cut about 2 green chilies. This is roughly about a quarter cup, but you can certainly add less. For extra flavor, I'm going to brush it with mustard oil. I'm now going to cook these on my grill. Depending on the size of the eggplants you have, you will need to cook this for 15 to 20 minutes till it starts to smoke and the eggplants get nice and soft on the inside. If it gets too hot and starts to burn, I like to place it on a grill plate. Once cool, I'm going to remove the flesh and chop it. My pot, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of regular oil. Next, I'm going to add a quarter cup of finely chopped ginger, 2 cups of finely diced onion, and I'm going to cook this together till the onion is soft. Add the chopped eggplant. I mentioned before that this is roughly about 2 cups. For powdered spices, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder as well as 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. I'm also going to add a half teaspoon of turmeric. Add salt to taste. Cover and cook this. I'm going to cook it for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'm going to add 2 cups of diced tomatoes. I'm going to mix this and cover and cook it for another 10 minutes or so till the tomatoes are nice and soft. you can squish the tomatoes with the back of your spoon. Garnish this with coriander, and this is ready to eat. Thank you so much for joining me in Cravings Food Adventures. I really hope you enjoyed this Baigan ka Bharta. I'm not a huge eggplant fan myself, but I really love this recipe. If you loved it, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and share it with your family and friends. Also follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Happy eating. Bye.